So I had a company gift me this SUNCOZE Hydroponics System. Now this is a 12 pod hydroponic system. Now I can already tell I'm going to like this unit just simply because of the lighting. Normally the lights do not have 21.6 inches of height to them. They usually stop right about here. So the fact that I have so much height to go for these lights mean that my plants can grow just as tall as well. This is everything they send in the package. You have 12 of these grow sticks. They give you the A and B solution, which absolutely works wonderful on hydroponics. I've been using this exact fertilizer for years and it works perfect. So they do give you 20 stickers. They gave you 12 of these grow pods, 12 of these sponges, 6 caps just in case you're not using every hole. They provided 6 caps. This is your pump that's going to circulate the water from the inside of the unit. Drape it down and that you're going to plug into the pump. Now the unit itself is very easy to use. You do have an LED display on the front. So you do have an up and down button for your light, and that's just going to control the strength. So as your plants get older, you are going to want to put up that strength because it needs more photosynthesis as it grows. On this side, it does display how much water you have in the unit. So right now I am up to the 5 liter mark. However, you can push this button here and that is just going to let you know where your water sits. Now the grow light is going to operate 16 hours and turn off for 8. Although the cycle will reset if the light is turned off and back on again. Now if you end up seeing a flashing light, that's just a reminder that your water's getting low. Now don't worry about the water getting too low. If it does get too low, then the unit will automatically shut off before it burns out your pump. And then you'll have a steady light. That'll be a reminder for your nutrients that have to be put in every 15 days. So all in all, if you're looking for a way to start growing your own food, this is a good way to start. The fact that the unit does all the guesswork for you and the light goes up way higher than most units, I would definitely recommend starting here.